How to turn on end-to-end encryption in Google Messages on your Android device. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First, you open the Messages app. Once you open the Message app, on the top right here you'll find your profile icon. You have to click on that, and then you'll find multiple options here, but you have to choose Message Settings. Once you choose Message Settings, here you might find general chats or maybe RCS chats depending on which phone you have in your Android. Once you click on that, here you'll find use Wi-Fi or data for messaging when available, and this is turned on. You have to keep it turned on. If yours is off, you have to turn it on. And once you turn it on, this is how you turn on the end-to-end encryption in Google Messages Android. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.